Talent Finder campaign listing. Before setting up your Talent Finder campaign, you need to have created a benchmark level 1 or level 2. Videos are available for both of these options, and we would also recommend that you watch the Getting Ready for Your Talent Finder campaign video. If you have a list of candidates that you want to send a Talent Finder questionnaire link to, then please have their names and email addresses to hand. Do ensure that their email addresses have been checked and are valid. Mistyped or invalid email addresses will hold up your process and disrupt the smooth running of your campaign. So the first step is to log into your PRISM account. On the blue menu, go to Talent Finder and select Campaign Listing. This page shows your Talent Finder campaign listings. This is where you will find all your campaigns. To create a new Talent Finder campaign, click on the grey tab Create a new Talent Finder campaign. Firstly, give your campaign a title. This should be unique and identifiable. Next, choose the benchmark for this campaign and then select the billing account. Click Save Campaign. At this point, session costs will be deducted from your PRISM account. You are now on the Talent Finder campaign details page. From here you can go back to your campaign list, edit your campaign title, view benchmark map, view best fit report. The lower part of the page indicates the current status of the campaign. At this stage, no questionnaires have been requested and therefore no candidates have completed them. This status changes as questionnaire links are sent and candidates complete them. Now to add your candidates to your campaign. There are several ways you can do this. If your candidates are known to you, you can send your candidate a direct email link to the Talent Finder questionnaire. Import your candidate from your PRISM database. Paste a link into an email and send to multiple candidates at once. If you're running an open recruitment campaign, your candidates are unknown, and then you can create a link within your own website which will allow users to complete a questionnaire, create a button within your own website which will allow users to complete a questionnaire. Both of these options link the candidates directly to this campaign. So, to email a link directly to a single candidate, click Send Questionnaire. Complete all fields marked with a red asterisk and select your language. The reference is not compulsory but may be used if required, but has primarily been designed for use in countries where candidates have similar or identical names and surnames. You will notice that as each link is sent, the campaign status updates. Very good. To import a candidate from your PRISM database, click Import Candidates. If your candidate database is relatively small, you can leave all fields blank and just click Search. This will bring up alphabetically by first name all the candidates in your database. You can then select the appropriate candidates from the list by putting a tick in the box. Once you have made your selection, click Add Candidates and your candidates will be entered into your Talent Finder campaign. If your database is large, we would suggest narrowing the search field by searching for each person individually or by criteria that suits your database, by company, etc. Again, click Add Candidates to enter them into your Talent Finder campaign. As you have imported candidates from your Talent Finder database who have been previously charged for, the status indicates that their questionnaires have been requested and they have already been completed. You will also see their names in the table below, and they will appear in the Best Fit report revealed with data and profile both unlocked. To use the link codes, click on Link Codes. To send a link to known multiple candidates via email, just copy and paste the link code into your email distribution list. You have also two HTML link codes that can be inserted into your website. This will allow any candidate who is applying for the role to complete a Talent Finder questionnaire. You may need the assistance of your web developer or IT department to install these links correctly. Once you have either sent out links to known candidates or have posted the link codes to your website, your campaign is now underway. You can monitor responses from the campaign status. Once you are comfortable with the number of completed questionnaires, and in the case of a web recruitment campaign, the closing date has been reached, you can now move to the next stage. The next stage is revealing candidates in order of best fit against the benchmark. Prior to doing this, check the campaign status to review questionnaires and candidates. Our screen now shows that we have requested 21 questionnaires and 21 have been completed. You will notice that only Selena Mullin appears on the page. This is because we imported Selena Mullin's details from our existing PRISM database, therefore she is known to us and her data is unlocked as we have previously paid for her report. Other candidates will appear on this screen once they have been paid for within this session. You could permanently remove a candidate from the campaign by clicking the red cross. So having checked your campaign status, you can now click on View Best Fit Report. This table shows your candidates listed anonymously in order of variance to the benchmark critical factors. Only the top 10 candidates, candidates 1 to 10, appear, although this can be changed by using the Candidate Options tab, which I will explore later. Included in your campaign session cost, you can reveal 5 candidates' names and their total variance against the critical benchmark factors. You do not have to reveal all 5 at once. We are going to initially reveal the top 4 candidates. Once ticked, click Reveal Candidates. You can see that the best fit candidate is Alex Bowman with a total variation of 79 against the benchmark critical factors. If you would like to reveal additional candidates, just tick and click on Reveal Candidates. We are revealing 2 more candidates. One of these is included in our 5 reveals that are part of our session cost, and the other reveal will be chargeable. If you are happy with this, click OK to proceed. To see a candidate's full data and their report, click Unlock Data and Report. You will notice a pop-up box that advises you of the credit deduction. Click OK. You will now see the candidate's data is revealed, and by clicking on the profile icon, you can select to either view the full report or summary report with or without interview questions. For more information on how to understand the reports, please refer to the Understanding Your Talent Finder report video. The Candidate Options tab allows you to do the following. The Add Remove button allows you to temporarily add or remove a candidate from your PRISM database who was not originally selected but you may want to consider for this campaign. Once you have selected candidates to temporarily add, click Update Results. You will now see Lisa Jones on the Best Fit report with a yellow triangle indicating she is a temporary addition. You may need to alter the number of candidates that are visible in order to see your temporary candidate. We will show you how to do this shortly. Once viewed, you can remove these candidates using the same button. Note, any candidates added temporarily to this campaign will be removed automatically when you leave the Best Fit page. Also in Candidate Options, you can select how many candidates are visible in the Best Fit report by using the drop-down box. You can also include detailed data by ticking the box and then clicking Update Results. This expands the data to show the detail for behaviour preferences, work aptitudes and core traits. The numerical values indicate the candidate's variance against the benchmark. The behaviour, work aptitude and core traits variation columns show the candidate's variation against the benchmark critical factors only. Also in Candidate Options, you can select to sort the candidates by bandwidth group. This is only available when matching candidates against a level 2 benchmark. Bandwidth data can be revealed by ticking Include Bandwidth Data. Click Update Results to update your best fit table. For more information on understanding the report, please refer to the Understanding Your Talent Finder Reports video. It is important to remember that any profiling tool such as PRISM Talent Finder should never be used to make a recruitment or redeployment decision unsupported by other techniques.